What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday, October 20th, 2025, and I'm going to be day trading NASDAQ futures, the micro contracts MNQ. As of right now, the NASDAQ's been pushing up in pre-market, so the market will be open in about 7 or 8 minutes. So we'll see if this momentum continues or what kind of price action we get. I'm looking for a couple of different kinds of setups. Just momentum continuation trades, and I'll be trading these 3 accounts as you can see down here. This first one, the very top one's a sim account, so don't pay attention to that, but the second one down, it says PA Apex. Right now the balance on that is $52,077. That's a funded account, so I'm going to work on that one this week, and I should be able to request another payout from that here in a few days. And the next one down, that's an evaluation account that I've been working on. I had it in profits pretty good, had a red day. It got knocked back down to around 50,000, so I got to work on that, get that back up so I can get that one funded. And then this bottom account, it's 50,000 even right now. That was an evaluation that I passed Friday. So if you watched my last video, you got to actually see the trade that pushed that over that threshold and actually got it to the funded phase. So now I have these 2 funded accounts here from Apex, and I'm going to just be working my way towards getting payouts from both of those this week. I should get one from the first one, and then that bottom one, you know, it might take me until next week or so to get a payout on that one, but that's fine. Just going to take it slow, take the good setups. So just about 5 more minutes and market will be open, so stay tuned. Maybe watching this video will help you with your trading. Give me some feedback in the comments below if you like the video, if you want me to explain anything else that might help you with your trading. Make sure you're subscribed. I do these videos pretty regularly, and I also post just regular market updates for crypto, NASDAQ, some stocks, different stuff like that. So if you got any questions, comment below, give me some feedback. Let me know if you like these videos, because I don't make them every single day, but if you would like to see these every single day for sure, or if you want me to start going live, comment below. I might start doing that in the future. So I'm going to sit and wait for a few more minutes, wait for market to open, and see what kind of setups I get today. So stay tuned.
Where neither buyers nor sellers have a dominant edge, and the line of least resistance. To determine this, one must analyze price action in conjunction with volume over a relevant time frame. For example, if a stock attempts to break out of a consolidation range to the upside but is met with heavy selling volume at the resistance level, it suggests that the path of least resistance is not yet upward, or perhaps even downward if selling pressure intensifies. Conversely, a strong breakout on high volume indicates that the path is cleared for further upward movement. The principle encourages patience and discipline, waiting for the market to clearly
see if we can grab 10 points on each one of these funded accounts here. Just 10 points to the upside is all I'm going for.
And capitalizing buyers and sellers, and is often the most reliable indicator of future movements. Mastering price action analysis means meticulously observing the movements of prices on a chart. For instance, a series of large bullish candles closing near their highs.
Alright, that one took a while. Let's see if this one hits.
Signals strong buying pressure. Conversely,
alright, that took a little bit longer than I'd like for it to, but I did lock in 10 points on both funded accounts first thing right off the rip. So on the first 5-minute candle, you know, $200 profits. That's pretty good. So let's see what else we get today.
Fundamental compounds the risk. Instead, if a position is losing, it indicates your initial thesis was flawed, and it's time to reevaluate or cut ties.
All right, let's try to grab 10 points. We're getting a nice bull flag here on this 2-minute chart. Decent looking momentum here on that 5-minute. Can we pop up there and grab 10 points? I don't like the close of that 2-minute candle there.
In a downtrend, but always on strength and only ounce, discerning normal from abnormal reactions, observing market leaders,
Big sellers. Can we push up before we dump?
Strict risk management required to act decisively when opportunities arise. The market is always presenting new challenges and new lessons, and by staying disciplined and analytical, you too can learn to read its subtle cues and position yourself for profitable outcomes. For those with an insatiable curiosity for the rich tapestry of financial history and the dramatic narratives that shaped Wall Street, we highly recommend...
Come on, Bulls, push it back up there.
These illustrated... This work is not just history. It's a masterclass in understanding the enduring human elements that drive market behavior, offering context...
All right, I'm closing those. They're not looking good. Minimize my loss there.
The historical context of market dynamics and the origins of many trade if selling pressure intensifies. Conversely, a strong breakout on high volume indicates that the path is cleared for further upward movement. Trading in the direction of the line of least resistance significantly increases the probability of success, as you are moving with the market's natural flow rather than...
All right, let's see if I can grab 10 points for this evaluation just on a quick little reversal trade.
...is a common pitfall for inexperienced traders. Livermore.
Early mid last week.
3. Master price action analysis.
Even I think
It looks like the Bulls are still
R7 was the golden
trying
shot.
pretty hard to push higher,
It
so...
represents the collective decisions of all participants, buyers and sellers.
We have beautiful trades
It's
on
often the most
R7 late.
reliable indicator of future movements.
What, 3 days?
Master
Inside of a
price
week.
action analysis means
Looks like I might get stopped out on this one too.
prices on a chart without
Stopped out.
practice and cultivate the mental fortitude.
I'm gonna go ahead and try to grab 10 points on that evaluation account
The
there.
market is always presenting new challenges and new lessons, and by staying disciplined
And then
you too can learn to read it.
also wait for this close to enter for
For those with an
the
insatiable
funded
curiosity
accounts.
for the rich tapestry of financial history and the dramatic narratives that shape Wall Street, we highly recommend 50 Years in Wall Street. These illustrated memoirs by Henry Clues, presented in 2 compelling volumes, offer an unparalleled
Come on,
journey
Bulls,
through
push
the
that up.
history of Wall Street's
Let's see, can the Bulls give us a nice clean close?
anticipate market
You're on.
Order film.
Oh no.
opportunity or significance.
Order film.
Jesse Livermore, one of the
Order film.
Or 12 up near the high.
Alright, let's see if we can grab 10 points here.
profound analytical
Stop loss here.
Boom, place him. We will get a fill. Suck that risk back. Move that guy up.
This a bull market upward movement is generally sustained, and corrections are typically
Fulfilled.
short-lived.
What?
Buying interest quickly emerging. Conversely, a bear market is characterized by
Did I just blow that? I just blew that fucking eval.
met with heavy selling.
I think I just blew it.
Consolidating market
Motherfucker.
lacks a clear
Oh man. Oh well. That's the one I've been spending too much time on anyway.
The key here is
Shit.
to focus on the broad macro, the higher highs and higher lows on a broad market index like the S&P.
Alright, so now I'm down to just 2 funded accounts. I'll get another eval. Actually, I'll buy 2 more evals pretty soon. I'm just going to work on these funded accounts for now. Just focus on them.
Indicator shift with least resistance, making it easier to identify potential turning points when they occur against the prevailing time.
That eval that I just blew
Take this up through.
was one that I've been just kind of testing some strategies with over these last couple of weeks to kind of fine tune some things. So I took some pretty big hits on it, and then I built it back up, took another hit or 2, built it back up. So it's just, you know, I was cutting it close on that one anyways, just from using it as a test account basically.
Significant movements. Jesse Livermore placed
Me,
in
it ain't over till I get what I get or we get stopped out.
recognizing them as opportunities.
Yeah, give us a nice clean close that if I were flat, I would get long on
Therefore,
it.
a diligent trader maintains
If we get that, then I say, okay, that's my decision. Hopefully my stop up 1 tick below.
means never risking more than a small percentage of your capital on any single trade and most importantly, catastrophic ones. The cardinal
All right,
rule is
Bulls,
never
do
to
it to him.
All right, I'm out.
adding to a losing
All right, locked in a decent amount of profits there. Got back in the green. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
It's easiest path before committing capital.
It's a high
It's about
probability
recognizing
trade.
the inherent inertia of the market and capitalizing on it.
Try to grab 10 points. Stop right there.
The underlying supply and
Try to grab 10 points. Stop right there. It's a nice flag pattern on the 5.
what is the easiest
Just going for 10 points here.
right now?
10 points, 10 points. Come on.
For example, if a stock decline on exceptionally high volume, it signals that large players are aggressively selling, indicating a potential downward reversal. Similarly, a stock
Huh.
support and bouncing sharply on high
I guess it wicked up there real quick. That was so fast I didn't even really see what it did.
re-entering the market, signaling
Alright, that works.
the lesson is not enough. One must live it. Day after day, trade after trade. Are you strong enough to live it?
Okay guys, so as far as this video is concerned, I'm going to call it a day.
The trick it convinces
I have taken, let's see, pretty much
that if only you listen to
4 trades,
fear of missing out feeds you.
4 trades with the 2 PAs. So it's really 8 trades, but they were 4 of the same trades just on both of those accounts. So pretty much I took about 10 trades total, 6 winners, 4 losers. 2 trades were in this evaluation account here that shows red, and that was actually my eval that I've been using for testing strategies and just experimenting over the last couple of weeks. I've had that account for, this was the 16th day. So I was going to actually try to get that one funded. You know, now that I was finished with the experiments and testing strategies that I had been doing, I was actually going to work that up towards getting funded and continue trading it. But I had a couple of losing trades and it just barely hit the trailing drawdown. So that account was failed, but it's no big deal. You know, I buy those test accounts while they're on sale. So that's just part of the cost of doing business. If you're planning on trading futures, you know, you'll see that if you're going to do the prop firm game, you will blow some evaluation accounts. That's just how it works while you're testing things out. But the good thing is that's the cheapest way to do it, instead of risking your own money to learn strategies and figure out what works. So now I've got a couple of good strategies dialed in. These strategies got both of these PA accounts funded, and I'm up over $500 in profits between those today. You know, with 8 trades total, which it was pretty much 4 trades. I just did those same 4 trades, you know, on each account. So if I was using a copy trader already, then that would have been 4 trades. So, but since I'm actually executing them manually on each one, I'm going to go ahead and count it as 8 trades for the day. But once I get another payout on these 2 funded accounts here, I'll probably go ahead and invest in a good quality copy trader. And I will also stock up on evaluation accounts. As soon as Apex has the sale going on again, 80 or 90% off, I'm going to go ahead and stock up on probably at least 2, maybe 4 more evaluation accounts. And then I'll use that copy trader to get those all funded ASAP. And over the next few weeks, you know, this little trading business will be scaled up to where I can easily generate you know, $1,000 to $2,000 in profits a day on average, depending on market conditions. You know, each day it may vary, but on average, you know, $1,000 a day, maybe 2,000. As I continue scaling it, that's going to just grow and grow. So that's the whole goal with trading prop firm accounts. Apex allows you to have 20, so I will eventually work my way up to 20 accounts. Once I get that copy trader going, get in the good rhythm of that. And then I'll also, along the way, I'm going to also do some take profit trader accounts, because those are daily payouts. So, you know, I'll trade 5 of those. I'll trade 5 take profits at a time, and then I'll copy trade maybe 5 Apex, get a couple of winners, switch over, trade another 5 Apex, switch over, trade another 5, and just rotate it out among 20 Apex accounts and then 5 take profit trader accounts. So 25 accounts, you know, even if I only do $200 a day on each account, that's really good money per day. So that's the end goal, or at least my current end goal, and then I'm sure I'll set other goals after that, but that's what I'm working towards. I hope you found some value in this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Give me some feedback. Is there anything else you want me to talk about in videos? You want me to make a specific video on some strategy or techniques or anything? Just comment below if you got any questions. I'll be making another video maybe tomorrow, maybe Thursday. We'll see. But I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. It's working. 2 setups, momentum continuation, 2 different kinds of setups for that strategy. That's what I'm doing. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until the next video, peace out.